As a result of Brad allegedly abusing her and her children during the infamous private jet journey in 2016, the actress filed for divorce from the actor. Fans will be aware of this circumstance. According to a recent article published by In Touch Weekly, the former Mr. and Mrs. Smith resident has taken a stance against Angelina's extensive and intrusive discovery requests. The request for 54 papers, many of which are apparently unrelated to the legal battles that Brad Pitt and Steven Spielberg are engaged in, is met with opposition by Brad Pitt's counsel. According to the filings that were obtained by the outlet, Brad's attorney asserted that to avoid unnecessary motion practice and another public filing that was filled with personal attacks, Pitt voluntarily offered to produce documents that were sufficient to show everything that occurred on the flight that precipitated the divorce between the ex-couple. If Jolie's requests were truly about what happened on that plane, as she asserts, then Pitt's offer ought to have been sufficient. He also addressed the issue. Jolie, on the other hand, did not accept Pitt's compromise and instead made an effort to compel him to communicate with third parties, including his most trusted advisors, regarding sensitive matters. These issues include the therapy that he voluntarily undertaken after the flight incident in an effort to better himself, the drug and alcohol testing that he is said to have undergone, his alleged overuse or abuse of alcohol, and other actions that were taken in the aftermath of the flight. These private contacts with third parties are far distant from the concerns and claims that are being discussed in this case, and in many instances, they have nothing but the most tenuous relevance to what happened on that plane. This was the conclusion to which the attorney referred. As part of her efforts to transform this commercial issue into a relitigation of the divorce case between the previously married couple, Jolie, on the other hand, wants them regardless.